I'm gonna show you. I got some chicken thigh which I just washed off and clean up. I'm gonna put them inside of the bowl like this with some lemon juice. So I wash them off with. So we're gonna show you how to marinate up the chicken. Alright. Right here I got 3 cloves of garlic which I'm going to put inside of the bowl. So right here, this is the garlic I'm crushing up right here. And that's the only time I'm gonna cut. That's the first time I just cut up spring onion, and I'm gonna cut up the spring onion. This is the spring onion. Chucking some chili inside of it also, alright? This is the pepper chili. Chili, I'm gonna put some dried chili in it. Paprika. Garlic powder, that's alright. This is some chicken season. Basil in it. This is gonna give it a nice, lovely. Oregano, you don't have to, these are just option. Some olive oil on it like this. We're gonna put a pinch of sea salt. So we're gonna put some black pepper. We're gonna do now, we're gonna marinate it up. Like this is the kind of color you're looking for with your chicken. And I eat this, man. This is looking good.